What advice would you give those companies or individuals who are looking to utilize the international market, work for US based companies, but hopefully not in a way that gets them cut off at some point?
Yeah. I think the more you're going to differentiate yourself if you're not just happy with like throw me tickets over the wall and I'll do them. Like don't just do a ticket, own it. The more you show that you're ready to own things, they want that. I'd also say these outsource offshore engineers generally call themselves developers, but what I found is that like, oh, I'm a developer kind of creates this tendency of like, oh yeah, I write code, which is true. But when you talk about yourself, like, oh, I'm an engineer, I'm a software engineer,
Yeah,
it just it changes the narrative. And even for yourself, oh, like that means I need to own the architecture. I need to deliver for the business and not just write some whatever code you tell me to write.
absolutely. Absolutely. Words are important and words matter. If you wake up every morning and you call yourself, a developer or a coder, even, it's
Yeah,
like then you're
yeah,
stuck coding all the time. But when you wake up in the morning and you're like, I'm a software engineer, right? It's like my spectrum of things, like I solve problems, right? I don't
yeah,
write code, I solve
yeah,
problems. And that
yeah.
mind shift is like you're saying, you carry that into every ticket you get, every meeting you go into. I think it does help to change your perspective.